Sunday.
It was so awkward.
They're vlogging too. No, you're fine. It is Sunday at like 10:30 or something. I don't know. We tried to wake up, or I tried to wake up to go to Luca Whitaker's meetup. Oh, there she is. Okay, well, there she is. But I tried to wake up to go to her meetup, but my alarm didn't go off. So I was like, huh. But I found her in the lobby and it was fine. So, yeah. She's so cute. I'm going to Mel's panel today because she has one in not in a few minutes. I'm getting there a little early to get like spots and stuff. But it's day 3 and I'm so sad. I really don't want it to be over. I love playlists more than anything. But we'll see. We're gonna go see Mel's panel, so you'll see that in a sec. Hello, we are waiting for Mel's panel. We're not starting in a few minutes, so. Oh my god, I'm so tired and I don't want to leave. But I have a ACE exam tomorrow. You guys want to say hi to the vlog? Hey, what's up? So
I'm Mel. We talked a lot about just like, you know, the good and the bad of social media and just like how you have to focus on the, you know, good, but like still let people in on, you know, your anxiety and your depression and things like that, but like in your own way. I don't know, we touched a lot on that, but other than that, just the hate. Also, if you want to make a channel and you're scared because of the hate, just don't read the comments. Don't read the hate comments. Focus on the love. That's all that matters.
What's up, guys? I'm Brian. Getting like certain shots and like just like a certain emotion out of each clip or each video. Just do it.
Yeah, just do it. That's the feeling. Just do it.
Do it.
We need a Nike endorsement.
You just got some Italian ice. What'd you get? Pina colada. This is cookies and cream. Blake, what are you getting?
I don't know yet.
Get mango.
I don't know.
Okay. I really want to try her mango.
Is yours dripping everywhere? Because this is going to be a mess. I'm a 5-year-old.
Hello, everybody. Hello. We're almost to the front of the meetup, and we're meeting Mel and Rebecca Black, and we don't know anybody else. So I don't really know Rebecca.
Oh, I can't. I was gonna say something, but I can't.
Okay, we'll tell you later.
And action. And we're at a meetup. And I'm going to show you Emma's meeting people right now. And that girl's waiting.
And keep on pause.
And right now. What are you thinking, Emma? Sorry, this is the Emma show.
Up next, an American Ninja Warrior. No, it's...
You vlog. Is it already recording? Yes. Emma's gonna have a lot of editing to do today.
Why does she
guys, and today we're at my meetup, and everybody's here to see me. Hi guys, we're in the line waiting to see me.
Oh my god.
So nice to meet you. So nice. She's so nice.
Oh, yeah.
You're the worst vlogger.
What? What? Well, I'm recording Kyle.
No, you can't.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Just stop talking for a sec. Oh god. Yes. Good. How do you feel, Emma? I feel like I'm Can you stop stealing my move? No, Emma's move. What are you talking about? I do this. I cross my hands. Okay.
Yeah, that's.
I'm gonna keep vlogging here.
Oh my gosh, I can't. Make it stop. Time to go.
I can't. This is where the free stuff is?
Yeah.
Can I get on the stage?
No.
I'll tell my jokes.
No.
1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Caroline.
Weekly?
2 times a week. Yo,
Weekly?
Imagine.
Yes.
Like actually.
I'm gonna try and go to Playlist DC. If you guys
Bye.
I met Sarah this morning.
Sometime in
She
fall.
is such a sweet, like,
And
kind soul.
are you going to VidCon?
Goodbye. I love you so much.
I'll be there. So yeah,
I really want to go. Please next me not. I'm gonna be like
I'm so excited.
I might.
No, but I subscribe to your channel, so I'll keep updating you guys. Follow you. Yeah, no, I follow you on everything now, so we're good. I know. It was so nice to meet you. We need to get a picture together.
Hey guys, we're here in the something or other.
the free stuff. Yeah, we haven't gotten any free stuff.
The main stage. We're gonna go find somebody famous. Are you ready for this? We gotta find people. They're all leaving, you know? I really just wanted a clickbait.
I know.
A clickbait jacket, and they didn't fucking have it. Oh, the lighting. Oh, that's really cute lighting. This hurts your freaking arm. This should be the thumbnail, Emma.
I mean, I could, but
Wait, how do I, oh. Should we go up and down the escalator?
you didn't watch SpongeBob. Comment down in the section below if you know what escalators
Yeah,
is.
you speak really good English.
Thank you.
I just want to like say hi to the vlog again, but nobody wants to say hi to my vlog.
Yeah.
Say hi to the vlog. There we go.
Yeah,
I also
I'm doing the vlog.
say hi. Subscribe to emmaromano.
Hi.
Say subscribe to emmaromano, okay? Okay. I wish I had Emma's business cards on me. Emma needs to get a stick on this thing. I'm never vlogging again. Emma's like definitely looking for us.
Yeah. Should we go back?
No. Oh yeah, missed call from Emma a minute ago. Let's call her on the vlog.
Yeah, I didn't get it.
Should we tell her we lost her camera?
No, just kidding. Kids.
What are you talking
No,
about?
it's rude. It's so mean. So much better looking.
Okay, Emma really needs to cut all of this out.
Yeah, she can have fun editing. Let's get some free lemonade.
What does this do?
Fan?
What does this do?
That's a fan.
Oh!
Not a camera.
No, not that. A banner. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, I see her. God, look at her.
Oh God, where is she?
God.
Ah, Emma's coming. She's running. She's running. She's running. Hide here. Hide here. Hide. Hide. Oh my gosh, Emma's coming. Oh my God. I've been vlogging.
Oh,
yeah, I can. We're just trying to find Sarah. That's Sarah. You know her? Why are you crying?
Oh, no tears. No tears here.
Stop it, Alyssa. That's a moment. You don't talk during the moments.
I never cry either. I don't got money, bro. You're so my favorite. I'm so sad. I love you. Love you.
I'm just being silly. In a second. Emma, I'm still upset that I didn't meet Andrea. You'll hear me talk about it in the vlog. She's not here. Like, she just didn't come. Wow, this is like really good quality. Like, please just cut this all out. Okay. I'm gonna stop it right here, but I'll start again. We already did a thumbnail, Emma. No, we already did one for me. Kyle. What are you doing?
I'm recording you.
Oh!
Oh my God, make it stop.
We're just walking, strolling.
Sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey.
Hey, Blake.
Hey, Emma.
Hey.
No.
Hey.
I can't. Emma.
What were we talking about? Now she's mad at me.
I gotta tell you something that I did. What?
So I know you like the whole David Dobrik spot.
Yes.
So I like him. Don't really watch him. So I saw. Oh my God, you told me about this. So funny. Hi, Mom. Will you meet us in the lobby?
No.
So I know that Joy loves. Oh, okay. Say goodbye to the food trucks. Goodbye to the. Oh. Yeah. I love you. I'll see you soon. I'll miss you too. Text me, okay? I will. Bye.